In today's video, I am going to teach you how to effectively use Notebooklm for studying. This tool helps you turn your study materials into clear answers, summaries, and ready-to-use outputs, all while showing you exactly where the information came from. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, you are ready to set up a dedicated space for the topic you are studying. Next, create a new notebook by clicking the plus sign option labeled Create New on the dashboard. Think of a notebook as a folder for one class, one exam, or one unit. Keeping notebooks focused makes the answers more accurate and easier to review later. Now it is time to add your study materials. In the Upload pop-up, select the sources you want to use. You can pull in PDFs like lecture slides or readings, add YouTube links for recorded lessons, or include files from your drive. After you confirm, these materials will populate the source panel on the left. This is important because Notebooklm bases its responses on what you provide here, so higher quality, relevant sources lead to better study support. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. Type a clear question about your material, such as asking for a summary of a chapter, an explanation of a concept, or key terms and definitions. When you submit your question, Notebooklm will respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Use those citations as you study, because they let you jump straight to the exact spot in your sources where the information came from. This makes it easier to verify details and build trust in what you are reviewing. To go beyond chat answers, use the Studio panel on the right. From there, you can generate an audio overview, a slide deck, or a video overview. These are great for quick revision, for transforming dense content into a different format, or for reviewing while you do something else. As you work, remember that you can save useful responses by clicking Save to Note on any answer. This helps you build a study guide over time, collecting explanations, summaries, and key points in one place. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.